Harita Third Year CSC B Section. Register number is 578. Adi Shankara Institution of Technology. Network Systems Cryptography Tech Talk Video. Attack on Computer and Computer Security. Introduction. This is the age of universal electronic connectivity, where the activities like hacking, virus, electronic feud are very common. Unless security measures are taken, a network conversation or a disturbed application can be compromised easily. Some simple examples are online purchase using a credit debit cards. A customer's using bring direct to a false website. A hacking sending a message to a person pretended to be someone else. Network security has been affected by two major developments over the last several decades. First one is introduce of computers into organization, and the second one brings introduce of distributed systems and the use of networks and communication faculties for carrying data between users' computers. These two developments leads to computer security and network security, where the computer security deals the collection of tools designed to protect data and to thwart hackers. Network security means are needed to protect data during transmission, but keep in mind that it is the information and our availability to access that information that we are really try to protect, are not the computers and networks. Why we need information security? Because there are threats. Threats is an object, person or other entity that represented a constant danger to an assent. The 2007 CSI survey, 494 computer security participants, 46% suffered security incidents, 29% reported to law enforcement. Average annual loss 350,424 cells. 1 by 5 suffered targeted attack. The source of the greatest financials. Most prevented security problem. Insider options of network access. Email threats categories. Attack of human errors of failures. Compromise to intelligence properties. Debilitated attacks of an exception passes. Deliberate acts of information extortions. Deliberate actions of SAP storage or vandalism. Deliberate acts of theft. Deliberate software attack. Force of nature. Derivation in quality of service. Technology hardware failures or errors. Technology software failures or errors. Technological obsolescence. Definition. Computer security. General name for the collection of tools designed to protect data and to thwart hackers. Network security. Measures to protect data during the transmission. Internet security. Methods to protect data during their transmission over a collection of interconnected networks. Our focus in the internet security, which consist of measures to deter, prevent, detect and collect security violations that involves the transmission, storage of information. This is diagram. Enters knowledge, attacks, supplications. Aspect of security. Consider three aspects of information security: security attack, security mechanism, security service. Security attack, an action that compromises the security of information owned by an organization. Information security is object how to prevent attacks or phasing that to detect attacks on information based systems. Often threats attacks used to mean same things. have to a wide range of attack can focus of general type of attacks passive active passive act passive attack diagram active attack diagram interruption and as set of systems is destroyed or becomes unavailable or unsayable, it is an attack on availability. Example, discretion of some hardware, jamming wireless signals, disabling file management systems, interruptions, and unauthorized parties gains access to an asset attacked on confidentially. Example, by trapping to capture data in a network, electricity copying data or programs elsewhere dropping. Modification when an unauthorized party gains access and tapping as exits attack as an integrity. Example, changing data files, altering a problem and the constants of a message, fabrication. An authorized party instruction a counterfeit object into the system. Attack and authenticity also called impersonation. Example, hackers gaining access to a personal email and sending messages. Instruction of record in data files. Instruction of switch message in a network. This is security threats diagram. Security threats. It is a passing of communication service that is provided by a system to give specific kind of protection to system resources, system services implemented security policies and are implemented by security mechanism. Confidentially is the protection of transmitted data from passive attacks. It is used to prevent the disclosure of information to authorized individuals or system. It has been defined as inclusion that information is assigned only to those architecture to have access. The other aspects of confidential is protecting to of traffic flow from analysis. Example, a credit card number has been secured during online transactions. Authentication. These services assures that the communication is authentic. For a simple single message transmission, it functions is to assure the recipient that the message is from instruction source. For an ongoing instruction, two aspects are involved. First, during connection interaction, the service assures the authenticity of both participants and send the connection between the two host is the interface allows a third party to mention as one of the two practices. Two specific authentication services defined in X800 or prevent entity authentication, data virgin authentications. Thank you.